Hello friends, today I will show you how to register a speed dial in your infotainment or in your car system. So it is very easy. I have this Maruti Suzuki Swift vehicle, and I think in all the Maruti vehicle the system will come more or less similar. In the mid variant and the top variant there will be a subtle difference in the top variant, so I expect this is the mid variant and you will see how to do that. So you need to just go to the Bluetooth setup, then you can go to the Bluetooth setup telephone, then phone book you can also do. Then you need to go to phone book, add contact is there, add speed dial. So you need to choose the your contact from which it is started. So I will just go a random. So I will just start with K. So here you will get your contact details. So once if you want to, you can just go up and down, and suppose I want to choose this, I will just choose this. Then it will ask for a preset like which 1 2 3 4 5 6, which key you want to register. So I will just press 5. So once I will press 5, it is registered. So this is the way you need to register. If you want to register a new contact, you can just add it, and once you add it, like now it is added. So once you connect your mobile and just dial the 5, it will dial that contact directly without doing anything. So this is the way you can do. If you don't have a voice command in your vehicle, I don't have voice command, so this is the workaround way we can use the speed dial. So while driving you can just click on the any of the key 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 8, whatever is there, like till 6 I think it is there in my system. So you can register a 6 contact for a speed dial, and by pressing that number you can directly call the respective member. Okay, so this is the way you can do it. I will just show you how it will work. Yeah, that I will show you again now. So let's see how do you call a person who is already registered as in a speed dial. So it is very much easy to do that. You just need to press the calling button which is available on your steering wheel. Once you press that button, it will give you directly the screen of Bluetooth phone book. You need to just press the respective key, like whether 1 2 3 4 5 6, which contact you want to dial. Then I will just press the 4. So once I will press the 4, it will directly give me the contact detail of that number and name. And once again if I will press the key of the calling button, it will directly dial that number. So as I am already connected over the Bluetooth, so once I will press, I will be automatically disconnect. So I will just not do that. I will just stop it and I will show you.